Today lesson. Today we are going to discuss the two kingdom classification system. And in the last lesson, in the last tutorial, we have learned that Aristotle, a Greek scientist, divided all organisms into the two groups. First group is kingdom Plantae, in which he placed plants, all fungi and bacteria, and kingdom Animalia, in which he mentioned all the animals. Now come toward the two kingdom classification system. In this lesson we will discuss about the basis of the two kingdom classification system and what are the drawbacks that lead to the rejection of the two kingdom classification system. Two kingdom classification system. According to two kingdom classification system, all organisms are divided into the two groups, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Plantae include those organisms that can prepare their own food, means autotrophs, and kingdom Animalia include those organisms that cannot prepare their own food, rather than they absorb their food or they obtain their food from the autotrophs. Kingdom Plantae include all plants, bacteria and fungi, and all animals are kept in kingdom Animalia, and this is the simplest classification of the all organisms. Two kingdom classification system. One group, that is kingdom Plantae, that includes all bacteria, fungi and plants, and the second group is kingdom Animalia, that include all animals that are present on the earth's surface. Now let's discuss the drawbacks that lead to the rejection of the two kingdom classification system. The two kingdom classification system was not accepted by the majority of the scientists. The reason is that it does not clear the position of the organism that include dual characteristics like Euglena. Euglena is an organism that has both plant-like characteristic and the animal-like characteristic. So this system does not clear the position whether the Euglena is plant or animal. So that's why this is the major reason due to this two kingdom classification system was rejected. And the second major reason of rejection is this system does not clear the difference between prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. Now let's discuss the summary of the today lesson. Today we have discussed the two kingdom classification system. In this we have learned that all organisms are divided into the two groups, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Plants, bacteria and fungi are kept in kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia include all animals. इस लेसन में मैं ये सीखा कि हम जितने भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं हम उनको दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर देते हैं. पहला किंगडम Plantae जिसमें हम सब प्लांट्स को, बैक्टीरिया को, फंजाई को रखते हैं, और दूसरा किंगडम Animalia जिसके अंदर हम सारे के सारे एनिमल्स को रखते हैं. ये सिस्टम एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ. इसकी क्या वजह थी? इसकी दो वजूहत. फर्स्ट रीज़न इज डैट कि इसके अंदर यूग्लिना लाइक ऑर्गेनिज्म, ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म जिनके अंदर ड्यूअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती हैं, यानी कि प्लांट्स लाइक भी होते हैं और एनिमल लाइक भी होते हैं, उनको किस ग्रुप में रखा जाए? इनको प्लांट के ग्रुप में रखें कि एनिमल के ग्रुप में रखें, क्योंकि इनके तो दोनों के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं. तो ये सिस्टम इसको क्लियरली नहीं डिफाइन करता, सो इसलिए भी सिस्टम को रिजेक्ट करते हैं. दूसरा, इसके अंदर प्रोकैरियोट और यूकैरियोट के अंदर जो डिफरेंस है वो भी क्लियर नहीं हो रहा था. तो दिस इज़ द रीज़न that why two kingdom classification was rejected. Thank you students. Now I hope that you have a better understanding of the two kingdom classification system. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.